In a cozy village where the lanterns glowed like fireflies and dreams floated in the air, lived a tiny gray kitten named Milo. But Milo wasn't just any kitten. No siree at night. His fur shimmered with moonlight. Every evening when the stars twinkled awake, Milo would tiptoe across the rooftops, chasing moonbeams and playing with shadows. The villagers didn't know, but he had a very special job. He helped the moon light up the sky. One night, however, the moon didn't rise. The sky was dark and quiet. "Oh no," whispered Milo. "Something's wrong." He leaped from rooftop to rooftop, then climbed the tallest tree in the village and meowed 3 times. Meow, meow. Just like the moon taught him, with a swoosh of silver dust, a moonbeam appeared and carried Milo all the way into the sky. Up in the clouds, the moon looked tired and droopy. "I lost my sparkle," she sighed. "I can't light up the sky without it." Milo nuzzled her gently and said, "Don't worry, I'll find it." So off he went, zipping and zooming through the sky. He gathered the star giggles, a handful of comet dust, and a sprinkle of night wind. Then he brought them all back to the moon and rolled them into a tiny glowing ball. "Here you go," said Milo. The moon smiled, and whoosh, she lit up brighter than ever. The stars clapped, the clouds danced, and Milo purred with pride. From that night on, the moon never forgot her little helper. And if you ever see a sparkle racing across the night sky, it might just be Milo, the Moonlight Cat. The end.